Here we are on today's ride. We're going to Great Brickhill today, then Brickhill and maybe a little bit in the woods. Bring it back in a minute.
I've been walking in the same way as I did, and missing out the cracks in the pavement, and tutting my heel and strutting my feet. Is there anything I can do for you, dear? Is there anyone I could call? No, and thank you, please, madame. I ain't lost, just wondering. Round my hometown, memories of phrase. Round my hometown, ooh, the people I've made are the wonders of my world. Are the wonders of...
Okay, we're looking back over the fields now towards Drayton Parslow and Milton Keynes as you fly that way. So we're on the old Levo SL.
So thick and opaque. I love her to see everybody in short skirts, shorts and shades. I like it in the city when two worlds collide. You get the people and the government, everybody taking different sides. Shows that we ain't gonna stand shit. Shows that we are united. Shows that we ain't gonna take it. Shows that we ain't gonna stand shit. Shows that we are united. Round my hometown, memories are fresh. Round my hometown, ooh, the people I've met. My world, yeah.
Bit of carriage going on. Here we are approaching Great Brickhill. It's the old Red Lion. SL made it up brilliantly. Right, we're going to have a lager in there. Right, we're in the woods, Woburn. Just come up this hill here. Going down there in a minute. I've had to stop because the GoPro batteries have run out, so I've just changed them. So we're in the woods, just stopped for a break. Bike's over here.
I told you I do, it's all I've ever felt. I've never felt so well. And if you don't know it, I wrote you this tune to be here loving you when I'm in the tune. I've headed the hard now from Dublin to Paris, and if there was sunshine it was never on me. So close the rain, so pronounced is the pain. I've never felt so well. And if you don't know it, I wrote you this tune to be here loving you when I'm in the tune. I've headed the hard now from Dublin to Paris, and if there was sunshine it was never on me. So close the rain, so pronounced